If you want to freak someone out, walk up to them on the street holding a giant microphone.
I'm good.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you.
Then, if you want to make them feel better, ask them what their favorite bird is.
What's my favorite bird? Oh, probably the red cardinal, I guess.
My favorite bird is the cardinal.
I would say the cardinal.
Probably a blue jay.
I like blue jays.
The blue-footed booby.
Robin.
Macaw.
Favorite bird, I would have to say chickadee.
Golden eagle.
Ducks.
I like hummingbirds.
A pileated woodpecker.
My favorite bird's a tufted titmouse.
The goldfish is now my favorite.
Owls are fun.
I really like chickens.
The American eagle.
And those fucking turkeys. Excuse the French part. Erase that.
As far as animals go, birds are a kind of universal touchstone. They're pretty much everywhere, and they're more visible than most mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and insects. Plus, they can fly. People's reasons for liking a certain bird are as varied as the species they named. For some, they admire what the bird represents, like with the golden eagle.
Biggest predator bird on the planet, protected, and doesn't really have any predators but death.
For others, it's more about nostalgia, like with the chickadee.
Just because I have memories of them, probably as a child, listening to them and growing up in Maine and being born in Maine. It's part of Maine.
The macaw.
They're native to where I spend a lot of my winters.
Where's that?
In Belize.
Or even the chicken.
I had chickens when I was a kid. They're just really nice. They make nice noises and they eat bugs and they lay eggs.
Some people are drawn to the bird's song, like the melodious whippoorwill.
I like how it goes. How's it go? The whippoorwill. No.
That sounds just like it.
No, it doesn't. No.
For others, it's straight up revenge.
One of my friends got shat on by a pigeon once, and I just remember his expression as being really funny. Maybe that's my favorite bird.
Most people, though, are drawn to their favorite bird for simpler reasons, like color. Take the goldfinch.
They change their color in the winter, which I always thought they went south. I thought it was a different bird for a long time, so I found out a few years ago. And it's fun now out our window. We can watch them slowly get brighter in color as yellow comes in.
Or the flamingo.
They're tropical, and when they eat shrimp, they turn pink, and I like pink, so.
At the end of the day, do you really need a reason?
They're just pretty, and I like them.
What's your favorite bird?
That's a good question. Nobody's asked me that
Yeah,
yet.
what's your favorite bird?